In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stocktwits to Beehiiv. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these two platforms and enhance your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this process is straightforward and will help you leverage the strengths of both services. To begin, let's look at how you can log into your Beehiiv account. Head over to your browser, open Beehiiv, and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to focus on the left panel of your screen. This sidebar is your navigational hub where you'll find everything you need to configure your account settings. Make your way to the bottom section of this panel where you'll spot the settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you access to a range of tools and options for customizing your account. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to look for the section labeled integrations. Click on integrations, and this is where the magic starts to happen. You'll find yourself in a space where various apps can be tied into your Beehiiv account, streamlining many processes. Next, look for the Browse Apps button. Clicking here opens up a world of possibilities with different apps available for integration, enhancing your platform's capabilities immensely. As the app directory opens, your next task is to locate the Stocktwits app. This app is crucial for tapping into the live stream of ideas and thoughts from millions of investors. You might find it helpful to use the search function if you have difficulty finding it immediately. Once you've located the Stocktwits app, click on it to reveal a detailed view of the app's features. Following that, you'll press the connect button. This initiates the process of linking your Stocktwits account with Beehiiv. However, don't worry if it seems like a lot. The system guides you each step of the way. At this point, a prompt will appear directing you to sign in with your Stocktwits details. Enter your username and password for Stocktwits and proceed by clicking connect. Once these steps are completed, the integration will take place fairly quickly. If everything is correct, congratulations, you've successfully connected Stocktwits to your Beehiiv account. This new setup means you'll be able to bring investment insights directly into your Beehiiv workflow, gaining valuable perspectives for your projects or reports. By capitalizing on this integration, your capabilities in analyzing market movements will be greatly enhanced. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was both informative and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you get the most out of your digital tools.